Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this video tutorial on how to compose email and reply to email. From your home page, after logging in, you have to look out for mail. Click on the mail, it takes you to your inbox. Great. This is how your mailbox look like. You can create a lot of folders, which we'll talk about later, but for now we'll basically be talking about how to compose or send an email and reply to emails. To compose an email, you have to click on the new button. You realize that there is an arrow showing down. There is an arrow just close to the new here. When you click on it, it gives you other options. Maybe you want to create a new calendar event, you want to create a new group, you want to create compose email messages. All you need to do is just click on email messages default. So when you click on new, automatically it opens this window. So you type in the recipient. For instance, I'm sending to Ahmed search. You can search for any user in JIS, including student. But what you have to be careful of is sending to the wrong recipient. All students use their ID numbers as their email address. For instance, the one up here, you can see that it starts with an ID number 27026 at gischool.org. This is a student email address. So if you send to this particular user, you are sending to a student. So you have to pay attention to the person or the recipient you are trying to send the email to. I'm trying in this scenario trying to send to Ahmed Falata. So I select Ahmed. If you want to copy someone, mostly it's required to copy the director, Mr. Tariq. So I quickly type his name and I search. It gives me the option as well. So I select that one and then assistant director, Mr. James, search. Great. Mr. James in the system has two emails, but his email is james@gischool.org. So you just have to click on that, select it. If you need to copy any other person, you do so by typing their name and search, or if you know the email address, just type in their email address. After that, you add a subject depending on what the subject is. I will use test mail. You type whatever you want to type. After that, you click on send if you are not going to attach any document. If you want to attach a document, you look out for this sign, attach. So you just have to click on it either from here or up here. You click on the attach, it opens up this window. So you browse to the folder you want to send. You click on computer, it gives you access to the computer. So you quickly browse to the folder you want to send the email to. So you select the file, open. It will ask you if either you want to upload and attach as a OneDrive file, which we will talk about later. But in this we just want to attach it as a copy, as a normal attachment. So you click on that, it attached the file. After that, you click on the send button. You click on the send button, then you are done. There are other settings that you can do. You can also try to edit the font. We have the font here. You can change your font, the font size, bold, make the font bold, italic, underline, highlight, or font color. You can also add a bulletin and all the things relating to formatting here. You can add a table. You can insert a table as well. So it has a lot of functionality, but basically this is what we do. Basically, either you are sending a normal email or you are attaching a file to the email, which you can do from here or here, from this button or from this button. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome once again to this edition of Office 365 portal video tutorials. Today we'll be treating settings under profile, user profile. How we do the normal login, which I believe by now we all know how to log into your portal. After that, you click on the image here, your image. The last time we learned how to change the profile picture. So you click on the email page and go to view account. There are a few things under here, but I'll be focusing on settings. Under settings, you can change the theme of your page. You can do that by clicking on this theme, then change to whatever image you want or the theme you want for your page. For instance, I will choose this for the purpose of the training. You realize that the theme has changed. So if you like whatever you choose, then after that you save. You can also change the start page. So when you log in, what comes when you log in, where you go straight forward from there. Mostly when you log in, you go to the main welcome page where you see all the apps. You can decide to change that to maybe your inbox, your calendar, OneDrive. So after signing in, it goes directly to that page. We leave that for now as the default. You can also change your language and time zone if you wish to do that. For now, we leave all those ones on the default. One more thing here is how to change your password. If you feel your password is being compromised, you can come here and just change your password. Under the security and privacy, click on password. It will take you to this page. Then you have to enter your old password and then the new password you would like to choose. After that, you have to repeat it again. You have to confirm it here. It takes a few seconds to a minute depending on the speed of the internet. Great. We are back in, so we have learned how to change the password, how to change the theme, and how to change the language and then the time zone. Thank you for your time. Till I see you next time.